What's going on, guys? So this is live time. What you see here is we bounced off an order block. Okay, order block and fair value gap. It was a 3-minute order block and 3-minute fair value gap, and it was also a 5-minute order block. Okay, so you can see order block, fair value gap. There's a mini fair value gap in the 5-minute. And what I want to see here is I want to see us hit the highs. Okay, so we have low resistance liquidity up here, and then we also have equal highs right here. So what I want to see happen now is, which this may take a little bit, because obviously it's lunchtime, but obviously we are forming low resistance liquidity here. So I want to see these highs being broken. We might do one more move down, go below this low, take liquidity, stop out longs, and then go back up again. But whatever happens, I'm expecting something like this to happen. So I'll update you guys with a prediction with what happens. We might not hit these lows. We might hit them. Doesn't matter. I still think we're going to break this trend line and hit these equal highs, okay? Why are we going to hit these equal highs? Well, there's probably a lot of retail traders. They're like, oh, this is resistance, okay? So they're going to be like, oh, this is resistance short here, and their stop loss is going to be above this line. Where does the market want to hunt? It wants to hunt stop losses. So what you should see happen in a moment is you should see a break of this trend line, whether we hit this low or not, and you should see the market hunt those stop losses. So I'll update you on what happens. So a little update. We have this 1-minute BPR down here, so we are now below this low. So what happened here is we stopped out these longs. So now I'm expecting a bounce up to these highs, but there is a possibility of going to this BPR and then bouncing. Whatever happens, we should bounce here and go hit these highs. So if you did long here, the stop loss would be under the swing low. So yeah, let's see what happens. And here's the update. We ended up sweeping lows one more time into this BPR. Stop loss for longs would have been right here, and then we ended up taking out retail traders short stop loss. So W trade.